A quick and easy repair. This will be okay as an emergency if, for example, you cut it while cutting your hedge. Cut the insulation off and pull back the metal screen and braid, basically all the metal, and cut the second insulation. This is called the dielectric, but that's not important at this moment. Cut and pull off the insulation to reveal the copper core. Twist the core together, making sure that the screen and braid isn't shorting out the copper core. Using any tape, this is of course an emergency repair, so it's not too important about what tape you use. Cover the whole lot with this tape and secure in an upright position so that no water can get inside. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.